With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. So the question here is, in the following questions, a statement of assertion is following by a statement of reason. So assertion is, chlorobenzene on reaction with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether gives diphenyl. Reason is this reaction is called Ullmann reaction. So we have to analyze whether these statements are correct or not, and accordingly we have to take the correct option. So let us start with the assertion. So in the assertion they are talking about chlorobenzene reaction with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. So let us see that what kind of reaction is this. So if we take chlorobenzene, so the structure of chlorobenzene is this. This is chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene is a benzene ring and a chlorine attached to it. So this is a benzene ring. It is 3 double bonds, and when chlorine is attached here, so this becomes chlorobenzene. Now they are talking about the reaction in presence of sodium metal in presence of diether. So sodium metal, that is Na, and dry ether, that is Et2O. This is dry ether. So what does this reaction lead to? So if we take 2 mole of chlorobenzene, supposing we are taking 2 mole of chlorobenzene. So this is 2 mole, and sodium also we are taking 2 mole. So what happens here? It reacts something like this. If we see here, this is 1 mole chlorobenzene. This is the second chlorobenzene molecule. And what happens when sodium comes, that is Na comes, and this is 2 mole of Na. So this Na takes away this chlorine from here. So this sodium reacts with this chlorine, and what happens? Formation of free radical occurs here, and due to this free radical, this forms a bond. A bond formation occurs between these two radicals. So these two benzene rings, that is ring 1 and ring 2, they will attach to each other with this free radical, and hence the product form will be something like this. That is, both the benzene ring will be attached to each other in this form. So this is known as a biphenyl molecule. This is a biphenyl molecule. So the name of this reaction is Fittig reaction. It is Fittig reaction. Where does Fittig reaction come from? The Fittig reaction comes from Wurtz reaction. So you must also know the Wurtz reaction. In the case of alkyl halides, Wurtz reaction takes place. So what is Wurtz reaction? Wurtz reaction. So this is the parent reaction of Fittig reaction. So in Wurtz reaction, when we take 2 mole of alkyl halide, that is 2CH3Cl, and we react it in presence of sodium and dry ether, that is Na and Et2O, so it leads to the formation of alkene, that is CH3CH3, and NaCl is formed. So this is 2 mole of NaCl. In this reaction also NaCl will form, that is plus 2 mole of NaCl, because it is coming from here. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? This reaction also occurs in a similar way, that is when we take 2 mole of alkyl halide like this, and so what happens? This sodium, this 2 mole of sodium attacks here, that is 2Na, and it takes a Cl with itself, and what forms here? Two methyl radicals are formed, and this methyl radical join together using this free radical, and thus leads to the formation of alkene plus 2 mole of NaCl. So in the case of aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene is an aryl halide. Aryl halide. Aryl means it is aromatic and a ring is there. So in case of aryl halide, this reaction is known as Fittig reaction. It is a modification of Wurtz reaction. So let us go back to the statements. So the statement says chlorobenzene on reaction with sodium metal in presence of dry ether gives diphenyl. This is correct. That is, assertion is correct. And if we talk about the reason says the reaction is called Ullmann reaction. This is wrong. Reason is wrong. First of all, it is not the reason of the assertion. Second, the statement is also wrong. The reaction is known as Wittig reaction, as I told you. You must remember the name of the reaction. So, if we talk about the options now, option 1 says if both assertion and reason are true, which is wrong, so we'll not read further. Option 2 is if both assertion and reason are true, wrong. Option 3 is if assertion is true statement but reason is false. So this will be the correct statement. So this is your answer. So I hope you have understood the reactions and the concept. Thank you for watching this video on Doubtnut.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.